Hi, welcome to a complete new set of videos. Well, I've gone and sold a lot of stuff in my old man cave that I wasn't using, and bits and pieces I had laying about that were worth some money, but just not getting the use, and they were devaluing. Like us hobbyists do, we tend to hoard things in case we need them at another time, but we end up running out of space to store everything. So, like I say, I've sold a lot of stuff to fund this project, which as you can see, I've gone and bought a mini mill. I've gone and bought a 10x8 shed. It's all been lined with polystyrene and this silver bubble wrap stuff. Still got to put some ply on the walls yet, but trust me, it's bloody warm in here. I wasn't originally going to do any videos on converting this machine. I just wanted to get on with it and get it done, get it up and running. But after looking on YouTube, I've watched DCT Teacher, there's Franco, Crud CNC. There's quite a lot of people out there that you can just watch, and you get a general picture of how to convert it, if you like. Now Franco, DCT Teacher, now they've all put their plans on the internet for you to get hold of, so you can make your own brackets. Now, I've already downloaded them, and both DCT Teacher and Franco's plans, none of the holes line up with this machine. Now, like I say, that some of the videos out there, they're 5 years old, so obviously things have moved on. And, the videos are people in America, people in Canada, and there's not one in the UK. So there must be more people than just me that have bought one of these machines. I mean, these machines, they're made by Amadil, that's where this one's from. There's Warco, Axminster. There's quite a few companies out there that I come across when I was researching into getting one. And that's when I decided, well, yeah, okay then, I will video it, because we can watch these videos of America and Canada, New Zealand as well, and they all tell you where to buy the parts. Well, now we're in the UK, we can't buy the parts like that. So I thought, like I say, yeah, I'll do one and put it all together, so the people in the UK that have got these UK machines can just see how I've gone about converting this, which I'm going to have to do in 2 stages. Now with Spartacus, the CNC router, I've actually shrunk it 2/3 of the size that I originally made it, so I've got some 10mm plate left over from the bed. So I'm going to use that to begin with to make the brackets for the stepper motors to get me up and running. And then once I've got them done, then I can start thinking about making the proper brackets, because some of the brackets, some of the end plates that are being made to house the bearings and stuff like that, they're 30mm in thickness, and Spartacus won't handle that much. Well, it probably would, but there'd be so much deflection on it, I'd never get a true edge on it. So yeah, I will do the video of it. Now with a little twist, I use a software called Mac 4, and I'm going to video designing its own custom screen set, which will be specifically for my machine, and not have anything in there that I don't need. Just actually set it up so everything I need to run this machine of what I'm going to have on it will be there on this one screen set. So it'll give people an idea how to create their own screen set and add wizards and bits and pieces. So that brings me up to the name Thormach. So where did Thormach come from? like I say, opened the box. The first thing I saw was this. From the back, I saw the column that looked like a mallet handle, and the bed that looked like the head of a mallet, metal mallet. So like I say, I was thinking of Thor's hammer. I'm using Mac software, so I got Thormach. I was thinking of Thormach 4, so it's got a 4 either end, but I think just Thormach will do. So it's like it sounds like a poor man's Thormach, doesn't it? But anyway, this is just an intro to let you know what's coming. I'm going to try and keep the videos down. Like the first thing I'm going to do is redo the Z to get it on a stepper motor, just so I can press a button and it goes up and down like the SX4s, because it does take some winding. But I won't do that same as Spartacus, where I would just from design to the actual finished product, because a 45-minute video might be something like 4 or 5 days in real time of editing the videos, setting up the camcorder for it. So I'm going to do loads of smaller ones. Like one video might be designing the Z, the next one might be cutting the Z, the next one might be assembling the Z. So there might be 3 videos just for the Z, or there could be 4. So yeah, the videos will be a lot shorter. I thought there was someone knocking at the door then. It's a shed. Anyway, so that's enough of my rambling on, my babbling as I call it. A lot to come. Power drawbar, new motor, bearings, just the normal stuff that you'd see everybody else has done on YouTube, but it's just me doing it. So I'll see you in the first part.